CUD is hosting an open house on June 30th from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m., along with campus tours and exciting workshops. Here are some more reasons why you should visit us.
At the School of Architecture and Interior Design, discover how to become a leader of the post-carbon era.
Sustainability is more than just being green. Find out how can you improve the environment, enhance on healthcare provision, and strengthen communities around you.
Did you know that there is a high global demand for psychology and brain health professionals? Join us to learn how to build a rewarding career to serve the well-being of our society.
Our Bachelor of Arts in Communication prepares you for a high-demand careers in digital marketing and storytelling, brand management, and creative direction, just to name a few.
CUD is a hub of innovation where, as a student, you will have practical guidance from industry leaders.
Join us on June 30th to learn why you should study at the #1 ranked university in Dubai. See you there.